Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. CME Group looking at offering Solana, Cardano Futures Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, might soon have futures contracts available on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a CME Group executive said earlier this week. Pale Shah, the director of equity and cryptocurrency products at CME, spoke at CryptoCompare's Digital Asset Summit in London. "We're looking at it," she said when asked, if CME was considering offering futures and other derivative products for altcoins. "We get a number of client requests," has led to a significant increase in user activity, as well as the growth of average transaction sizes. To keep up with this elevated demand, the system's current transaction throughput must be increased, he added. The most obvious way to achieve this, in Fitzy's words, was to increase the block size limit to fit more transactions per block, with the block size already being expanded by 25% in 2022 and more expansions coming up. However, in order for the block production rate to remain at the current level, there are limitations to how large a block can be securely maintained by a ledger consensus protocol. Diffusion pipelining solves this problem by improving the consensus layer and increasing the budget to facilitate faster block propagation and validation times. This way, it allows larger blocks, and with it, increased transaction throughput while leaving the consensus rules unchanged. Elsewhere, Finbold earlier reported on a major inflow into Cardano's newly created staking pools, amounting to around 1.5 billion ADA, which is more than $1.4 billion. Such a large amount potentially indicates an increased interest coming from larger market players and corporations. Cardano is also seeing significant gains over the 7-day period. At press time, its price stood at 98 cents, which is 22.5 per. Their work said the findings showed there are serious security issues in the Web3.0 space, adding, "Projects still undervalue cybersecurity, although it is one of the main factors impacting users' investment decisions. European politicians are proposing a crackdown on unhosted wallets that could cause huge problems for crypto investors. The measures mean exchanges would have the impossible task of verifying." Stands at $303.73 million, an increase of almost 10% in the last 24 hours, according to the data from analytics platform DeFi. ADA added over $100 million to its total value locked in less than a week as the TVL stood at $200.46 million, as of March 16. Furthermore, the TVL for Cardano has been steadily increasing since late January 2022, after a lengthy period of decline and coinciding with the introduction of SundaeSwap, Sunday, the blockchain's first decentralized exchange, DEX. Then further delays to the planned launch of Nayib Bukel's Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. Ukraine has launched a virtual museum of non-fungible tokens that document Russia's invasion. Meta History Museum of War features NFTs that document the conflict day by day. Tweets from news sources, politicians and government departments are accompanied by pieces of artwork. All of the funds raised through the sale of these NFTs will go to Ukraine's army and civilians, and it's hoped the collection will also preserve the memory of real events. Going forward, Meta History says that NFTs will be created in chronological order, with artists from Ukraine and around the world making contributions from its full outbreak to the moment of Ukrainian victory celebration. Initially, NFTs documenting the first 3 days of the invasion are going to be sold on March 30th for 0.15 ETH each. Need to physically hold the underlying asset. Investors use them to bet on price movement and hedge against the asset's volatility. The spot market, by contrast, deals with the real-time price and delivery of an asset. There's no buying a contract to buy or sell Bitcoin if it hits a certain price in the future. The transaction takes place immediately. We're off to a really good start. The screens are lit. We've had some really good trades, Shaw said. And just to unpack that a little bit, the micro Bitcoin futures contract we launched in May of last year, and already we've done close to 5 million contracts. The group's initial Bitcoin futures contract has experienced significant growth as well. In the few years, just over 4 years since we launched our initial futures contract, the standard Bitcoin future with 5-time multiplier, we've seen that grow from doing 1,000 contracts a day to now 10,000 a day, she said. That growth is mind-boggling. Outside of CME, the crypto derivatives market has been getting a lot of attention from crypto-native exchanges. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.